Hundred Pro-Democracy Group has called for a thorough and transparent review of the Court of Appeal's judgment in the Kano State governorship case, as they urge the Supreme Court to intervene once again and provide clarity on the matter, ensuring that justice prevails. This was made under a media briefing by the Governor, Francis Obina, in Abuja. He disclosed that the implication of the judgment extends far beyond the boundaries of Kano State. It sets a dangerous precedent that could potentially undermine the integrity of future elections and erode public trust in our democratic processes. However, Francis Obina said that the people of Kano State have suffered enough, as they have endured years of hardship and deprivation. They deserve a stable and competent government that will focus on addressing their needs.
The Nigerian people have spoken and have chosen Governor Abba Yusuf to lead Kano State. We must respect their choice and ensure that Governor Abba Yusuf is reinstated as Governor of Kano State immediately. We call upon the Supreme Court to uphold its ruling in the case of the Vice President and to overturn the Court of Appeal's judgment on the Kano governorship election. We also call upon the National Assembly to pass legislation that will ensure that the courts have the sole authority to decide on pre-election matters. We also call upon the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to immediately conduct a fresh governorship election in Kano State. This is the only way to ensure that the will of the Kano people is respected. We cannot allow the will of the people to be trampled upon. We must stand up for democracy and for the rule of law. We call upon all Nigerians, regardless of political affiliation, to join hands and stand united against any form of injustice or manipulation of our democratic system. The strength of our democracy lies in the collective power of the people. Together, we can ensure that the voices of ordinary Nigerians are heard and that their rights are protected. Furthermore, we urge the government to take proactive measures in addressing the concerns raised by this judgment. It is crucial for our leaders to demonstrate their commitment to the principles of democracy, transparency, and accountability. Only through open dialogue and genuine efforts to address these concerns can we restore faith in our institutions and move forward as a nation. The Coalition of Civil Society Organizations and Pro-Democracy Organizations wants to reiterate the urgency of the situation at hand. The Court of Appeal's judgment on the Kano governorship is highly unacceptable to Nigerians. We must therefore rally together as one Nigeria to demand accountability and justice. Let us stand together in solidarity and uphold the principles that form the bedrock of our democracy. Thank you, and may God bless Nigeria.
Wisdom, GTV Africa.